orange has always been my favorite color. But I didn't expect an entire country to agree with me. Then somebody told me there's one day every year when the whole Netherlands turns orange for the celebration and for the king. And I knew I had to be there.
King's Day is one of the biggest party that happens in Amsterdam, Netherlands.
A day when the entire city turns loud, chaotic, and completely alive. Every street becomes a stage. There are DJs everywhere, yes, even in canals. People literally dancing on boats. The best way to experience it?
King's Day is to get on a boat
With friends. Just floating through the madness. But there's a story behind it. Orange isn't a random. It comes from the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange, and for the generation, this color has become a symbol for celebration. Now, if you're planning to experience this, here's how you can survive it. First, don't drive into the city. Park outside and take a train in. And come early because by midday to evening, things shut down. Trains, roads, canals, everything.
and after being stuck there for more than 1 hour, we are out of traffic jam.
And after that, walking is your only option. And trust me, this is not an easy walk. And bring cash. Because on this day, anyone can sell things on streets without paying tax. Drinks, snacks, random stuff, mostly beer and burgers, and a lot of chaos. It's loud, it's messy, but for one day it feels like the whole country is celebrating together. And if you want little calmer experience, you can go to the countryside for the calmer parties. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.